my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you the Nykaa haul. I've ordered quite a lot of makeup, skincare, body care. I was eyeing on these products since a very long time. They were wish listed, so I finally thought of buying them now. By the way, most of the things in this haul are under 500 rupees. So without any further more blabbering, now let's get into it and see what all I've got. Okay, so the very first thing which I got was this Insight lip gloss. I wanted a clear lip gloss since a very long time, so I decided to go with the Insight Cosmetics, and बाकी सब was very overpriced, so मेरे को लगा कि for a clear lip gloss it was a way too much to spend. I heard many good reviews about this one, so I ordered this, and I haven't tried it yet, but it is pretty good and long lasting. I wanted this one since a long time, so finally got this. On to the next one. Okay, so the second thing which I got is again by Insight. It is their ऑरेंज कलर करेक्टर. ये मैंने कहाँ नहीं ढूंढा है, ऑफलाइन भी ये मैंने काफ़ी शॉप्स पे ढूंढा, बट इट वॉज नॉट अवेलेबल एनीवेयर. एंड ये दिस वन कॉस्ट 99 रुपीज़, विच इज़ क्वाइट अफोर्डेबल. This is in shade NC6 Tangy Orange. This is a quick swatch of the orange corrector. Okay, this is very creamy and pigmented. Where do I? Okay. Good. कहीं पे भी मेरे को ये नहीं मिल रहा था. So I found this on Nykaa, so I thought let's go with it. The next thing which I got is Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 128. Good thing about this is this comes with a pump and has quite a good coverage. I have applied this right now and the base looks pretty smooth and good, so I'm impressed and happy about this purchase. Okay, so the next thing which I got is this eyeliner brush. This is by Vega. मेरे को एक eyeliner brush काफ़ी टाइम से चाहिए था. I was searching for it, but मेरे को उतना precise कोई मिल नहीं रहा था. And I saw पैक का वो कुछ ज़्यादा ही महंगा लगा मुझे, टू बी ऑनेस्ट. फॉर एन आईलाइनर ब्रश वो मेरे को काफ़ी एक्सपेंसिव लगा. तो नायका पे भी इतने सारे ऑप्शंस थे आईलाइनर ब्रश के, उनमें भी मैंने उनकी टिप को ध्यान से देखकर फिर मैंने इसको मंगवाया. इसकी टिप मेरे को काफ़ी फाइन एंड प्रिसाइज लगी, एंड टू माई सरप्राइज़ ये काफ़ी सही वर्क करता है. मैंने अभी से थोड़े टाइम पहले यूज़ किया था एंड इट वर्क्स प्रिटी वेल. काफ़ी बार ग्राफिक आईलाइनर्स में या फिर नॉर्मल आईलाइनर लगाने में भी ये काफ़ी हैंडी आता है. सो आई बॉट दिस and this is a good purchase under a budget. So if you want to go for an affordable eyeliner brush, this is the one. You can definitely buy this one. So the next thing is a repurchase. This is the Mamaearth Rice Water Hair Conditioner. First time I tried it as a sample Smitten से, तब से ये मेरे को काफ़ी पसंद है. इसकी दो बॉटल्स मैं ऑलरेडी खाली कर चुकी हूँ. ये मेरी थर्ड बॉटल है. It provides the shine and makes the hair really smooth and silky, so I love this one. And also it is sulfate free, so a win-win. Next thing is again a repurchase, or you can say a restock. This is the Swiss Beauty Liquid Concealer. इसे मैं कितने ही years से यूज़ कर रही हूँ. This never disappoints. Full coverage and just a lovely product under a budget. Also अभी मेरा पहले वाला is about to finish, so I restocked it. One of the best concealers out there. Love this formula. Next thing is again a concealer, but this one is by Insight Cosmetics. This is a pot concealer. Wait, let me show you. This is a pot cream concealer and I haven't even touched it yet. By the way, this is in the shade NC1. This was for just ₹99, so I thought it is a good one for just the spot concealing and spot correction. So मैंने इसे इसलिए ले लिया. That's the only purpose I bought it. Here is a quick swatch of the concealer as well. Let's try to blend it. It has a good coverage and blends beautifully. You can see. I haven't tried it yet. जब मैं इसे try करूँगी तो I'll review it on my shorts. So stay tuned for the review on the shorts and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Okay, so the next thing which I got is a lip butter by Insight Cosmetics again. I thought it was really cute. The packaging itself is very cute and handy. I thought कि जब भी मैं जैसे कहीं बाहर जाती हूँ एग्जाम्स देने या फिर कहीं पे भी मेरे को जाना है, I just put it in my bag and I'm ready to leave. So by the way, the shade is 03 chocolate hazelnut. ये काफ़ी अलग shades में भी आता है, like mint, lavender, but I thought to go with this one, and this smells like chocolate. Here is the swatch. This is colorless, by the way. It don't have any color. This is just meant for the moisturization purposes. So उनके लिए ये ठीक है. Otherwise, अगर आप इसे कलर के लिए परचेज करना चाह रहे हो तो don't go for this. Go for some tints or something else. Okay, next up, I bought this Inside Cosmetics translucent powder. मेरे पास एक ट्रांसलूसेंट पाउडर सिंस अ वाइल नहीं था, तो आई बॉट दिस वन, बट शेड देख के मेरे को लगा कि कुछ ज़्यादा ही डार्क आ गया है. until I opened the box. The shade is the one which I bought. इसका बॉक्स देख के मैं एक्चुअली में डर गई थी क्योंकि शेड यहाँ पे काफ़ी ज़्यादा डार्क है, बट इन रियल सही कलर भेजा है, आई मीन सही शेड भेजा है. आई ऑलवेज यूज लाइक द कॉम्पैक्ट पाउडर्स, सो आई थॉट टू गिव द लूज पाउडर्स अ शॉट क्योंकि मैंने काफ़ी ज़्यादा टाइम से यूज़ नहीं कर रहे थे. सो मैंने कहा लेट्स गिव इट अ शॉट, एंड सो दैट्स द ओनली रीज़न कि मैंने इसे बाय किया. सो नेक्स्ट अप आई बॉट समथिंग फ्रॉम Maybelline. आई ऑलवेज लव जब ऐसी पैकेजिंग आती है Maybelline की. आई गेट हैप्पी, आई डोंट नो वाई, बट आई ऑलवेज गेट हैप्पी जब ऐसी पैकेजिंग मेरे को रिसीव होती है Maybelline से. एनीवेज, coming to the product, I bought these two lip balm. These are my favorite. I've been using it since years now, and I bought these two shades named. Okay, so the first one is Cherry Kiss. It has SPF 11. It says, I don't know, but इसके पीछे mentioned है, so let it be. Okay, so the first one is Cherry Kiss. Next up I have Berry Crush. These two shades personally I feel कि हमारी इंडियन और डस्की स्किन टोन को ज़्यादा कॉम्प्लीमेंट करते हैं. If you are on a little fair side, you can go for Pink Lolita. It is one of my favorite shades as well, but this time I went for these two different shades. I've emptied many packs of these, so these are one of my favorite. Moisturize the lips for a longer time, give a beautiful tint. So if you are eyeing on some good lip balms, you can definitely try these ones out. Okay, so the next thing which I bought is a body lotion. This one is by Chemist at Play. Daily exfoliating body wash, 4% lactic acid plus salicylic acid. This is meant to exfoliate the skin. It is like its consistency is normally like a body lotion. It smells great and also has like the scrubby texture. That's what I'm trying to say, to be honest. Anyways, so I used it once or twice, but उसके बाद मैंने इसे यूज़ नहीं किया. रीज़न बीइंग ये स्किन को बहुत ही ज़्यादा ड्राई आउट कर देता है, एंड इसके बाद मेरे को काफ़ी सारा बॉडी लोशन लगाना पड़ता है. मेरी स्किन ऑलरेडी काफ़ी ड्राई है, सो इसको लगाने के बाद थोड़ी और ड्राई हो जाती है, तो मेरे को बहुत ही ज़्यादा मॉइस्चराइज़ करना पड़ता है. एंड इतनी गर्मी में इतना ज़्यादा मॉइस्चराइज़र लगाना, फिर वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा चिप हो जाता है. तो अभी के लिए मैं इसे थोड़ा सा टाल रही हूँ. आई यूज़ इट इन द विंटर सीजन और सम डिफरेंट टाइम, बट गर्मियों के लिए अभी नहीं कर सकती. खैर, ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट वन. ओके, सो द नेक्स्ट थिंग विच आई गॉट इज दिस प्राइम एंड परफेक्ट हाइड्रेटिंग प्राइमर बाय इनसाइड कॉस्मेटिक्स. इसका रिव्यू मैंने ऑलरेडी अपनी शॉप्स पे शेयर कर दिया है. आई हैव शेयर्ड अ वेरी ऑनेस्ट रिव्यू अबाउट दिस प्रोडक्ट. इफ यू हैवंट चेक्ड द शॉट येट, go check it out. So the next thing which I bought is again a repurchase. This one is by Aqualogica. This is the Illuminate Plus Oil Free Moisturizer with wild berries and alpha arbutin. ये मैंने काफ़ी बारी अभी तक शेयर कर दिया है अपने चैनल पे. I'm using it since a long time. So just like the formula and less fragrance, so ordered it again. And it is very lightweight and oil free. So I thought कि summers के लिए perfect है. That's the reason I repurchased it. If you are going for an oil free moisturizer, you can definitely check this one out. This is quite a good one. Okay, so the next thing which I got are these blushes. These 3 blushes. ये combo में थे Nykaa पे, so I ordered them, and मेरे को प्राइस के हिसाब से काफ़ी ठीक लगे एंड आई वॉज आइंग ऑन दिस सिंस अ वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम एंड मैं सिर्फ इसका एक ही शेड खरीदती एंड ये तीनों कॉम्बो में थे तो मैंने कहा चलो लेट्स गेट दिस एंड इनमें से मैं एक अपनी सिस्टर को दे दूँगी एंड बाकी 2 आई शेयरिंग विद यू द शेड्स। सबसे पहला शेड है, so this is the first shade. This is 04 Watermelon Popsicle. It is quite a dark shade. Here is a swatch. Okay, so the next shade is again a dark one. This is way more darker than the first one. This is 02 Raspberry Gelato. इसके मैंने काफ़ी ज़्यादा रिव्यूज़ सुने थे like this particular shade and I think this will complement the dusky skin tone very well. Okay, so as we can see the 04 is very much bright as compared to the 02, but let's see the third one which is my personal favorite. Here is the shade number 3. Here is the third and the last shade which I got. This is 05 Strawberry Drip. This is my personal favorite. This looks stunning on my skin and complements my skin very well. These blend like a dream and are just so pretty. On the go ke liye, I think these are the perfect blushes and you can also use these on your lips and you know just to give a little touch up and hint of color. I think these blushes are the best. Definitely check out these ones. These are approved by me. This big box is all done but I have one more box left, so let's unpack that together. Okay, so this is the last box which holds my favorite item of this entire haul. I was eyeing on this product since months, and when I tell you months, a long time. months. I was eyeing on this since a very long time and ये हमेशा out of stock रहता है on Nykaa, but finally I bought this. जब ये stock में था I quickly grabbed this. So let's unpack this and see. So the last thing which I got from Nykaa is this Essence I Love Extreme mascara. I heard so many good reviews about this from many people, but ये हमेशा Nykaa पे out of stock रहता है and I finally got the chance to grab this. So बिना थोड़ा time भी waste किए मैंने इसे quickly order कर दिया and this one really is a good product. I have tried it once or twice but this one really works well, so impressed by this. So this is the product that I'm most happy about in this entire haul. I'm also happy about these products and everything, but particularly about this one because I was eyeing on this since so long. so long. Finally got this, so happy. And that is it for my haul, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to this channel, and I shall see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Let's get into it. I heard quite a good review. Hi guys. So what? Okay, retake. Name क्या है इसका? So if you are subscribe to this channel for more such videos.